I'm Jen, welcome to Aussie-Rig-Renos. Today we're covering how to put in a new window. This time it's at the front of my little Millard van. So I'm just going to turn you around now and show you. Okay, here we are. Please excuse the dirty van. I've left it dirty intentionally to see where the water and the water congeals or runs. So it's a little project in progress. But here's our window. Now, these windows are often hard to get. It does match the rest of our windows around the van. And I can show you around the back, we have two. So I wanted the same thing inside the van, and what it's going to do is, as you can see, it's going to create a really good cross ventilation from every direction and enable the van to stay nice and cool in summer. They are hard to get. The best place is to put your word out on social media and try and get one that way. I actually swapped the sink, the old sink from in here for that front window, so you never know what someone else is after. Otherwise it was estimated to be around $40–50. So try as hard as you can. They are just screwed in, as you can see. They're screwed around the frame. So initially, before, it had a really poor air conditioner in the front. So I had to reconstruct all the timber work. There's photos I'm going to post here of what the timber work was like before, and so I had to pull out a lot of it just to get the actual air conditioner out. And you'll see in other videos, the video before on water wicking, I've fixed this up with Sikaflex so that we can stop any water wicking which rotted out the timber that ran below it. So as you'll see in the videos coming up, I cut the hole out with just a multi-tool. Let's grab the multi-tool and I'll show you. The blade I used was this kind of blade. So very simple, and use the multi-tool. It really cut through it very quickly. So best tool to do it. And all I did was I masked it up just with the frog tape, made sure, triple measured the cutting area that I had to put it in, because of course when you see the outside, the cutting area is here, whereas your overlap goes to here. So I found that the undulation of the side of the van meant I really had to Sikaflex in there very solidly, lots and lots of Sikaflex. It was pretty much half a sausage tube to go into this area to really seal it and make sure that the water wasn't going to get in there. And then stainless steel self-tapping screws, which I pre-drilled and then put in, always with a washer that will stop it going anywhere. So this is a great project. Now I will be replacing next all of the glass with Perspex that I've had cut, and we will be making a shield over here, which I've got the frame. I have to reconstruct it the right shape and put you know, aluminium in it or something that's not bothered by stones. So big project, but plenty of room here to attach a hinged cover. The other object that you can do, or option I should say, is have a canvas, padded canvas cover made in a little pouch here that rolls up into a zippered pouch, and it just drops down and it clicks into place like with press studs down the bottom. So you can do that manner. It just means you don't have an awning. So it's 6 of one, half a dozen of the other.